Hello and welcome back. This is Faraway. Let's just begin. Alright, I already applied a skim coat of body filler. Alright, now all we gotta do, rough it up so that we can see it's to more or less where we're at. Right, I'm gonna get myself some 40 grit on the DA. Just rough it up. Let's see where we're at. Alright, after a rough sanding, this is what you get. You can see it's not a lot of body filler that it has. You can still see the metal. Now some of these are high spots, which I'm going to have to knock down. So I'm just going to get my hammer, knock them down, not too hard, just enough so that I don't feel them anymore. But after this, I'm going to get myself a Sharpie so that I can do the style line. It does have a style line here. I need to do it at this point so that I can know where I'm going to be adding the body filler. Okay, the way I do it, I come to the style line on the other side and I mark it. I get myself a mixing stick. I know that there is a tool to do it. I do not have it, but I get myself the mixing stick and just mark it where it's at. All right, there it is. I already marked it. Now got to go back to the other side and mark it. There you go. That's the way I mark them. Now I know that that is a style line, and we gotta go all the way over here. All right, now that I have the style line, I'm gonna get myself some tape and I'm gonna focus on the top only. Okay, I'm not gonna worry about the bottom yet. I'm not gonna worry about that. So I'm just gonna put the tape underneath the style line so that I can start applying body filler to the top. Okay, once the tape has been applied, I'm going to start by hammering down all the high spots. Just run your hand and try to feel all the high spots. Okay, that's what I'm going to be doing. And there we go. Everything, I can't feel any little bump no more. So I'm gonna start applying body filler from this blue tape, or from the tape up. Okay, why did we put tape? The reason is that body filler will not stick to tape. So once you peel it off, you're gonna have a real nice straight line. And there it is. After applying a fine layer of body filler, I'm just gonna let it dry. I am not gonna be removing the tape as of yet. So just let it sit. There we go, there we go. I just sanded it with 80 grit just to smooth it out, and it's getting there. Now I'm gonna remove the tape. All right, all I did, I just reversed the tape. Now I'm gonna put body filler from the bottom up. All right, I just sanded it with 80 grit. I'm just smoothing it out. I'm not gonna block it yet. Now I'm gonna remove the tape. All right, guys, sorry about this. My other camera broke, so I wasn't able to save the files, but this is where it's at right now. Everything has been primered. All the body work has been done, so we're good to go as of right now. I already removed the windshield, so it's ready for me to start. They're gonna come and install the windshield tomorrow, but after that I'm gonna start installing the fenders and the front bumper, and I'll be done. And there it is. Everything's complete. They're good to go so that they can take it to get wrapped. Now I don't know the color of the wrap that they're gonna use, but they are gonna send me some pictures so that I can show you how it came out. But it looks really good. Everything fixed and they're good to go. All right, and this will be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you are enjoying my content, and like always, if you liked my content, you can hit that little thank button and support the channel. All right, thank you very much. Subscribe, also hit that thumbs up, and we'll see you next weekend. Thank you, and like always, God bless.